Hey, to open apps in the split screen mode on the Realme 12 5G, first you have to open these two apps. So let's do this for the Google Play Store, for example, and maybe we can do this for the YouTube. Then you have to actually close these apps, but basically put them back to the background applications. So now we have to swipe up. If we are using the gesture navigation, if you are using the three buttons, you have to open the menu buttons. Now you have to click on these three dots and then select split screen. Then you can simply select the second application. And as you can see now, we can use two apps at the same time on this smartphone. Now, as you can see, I just select the Google files and it's not supported. So you have to remember to choose apps that are actually support this mode. So not every application supports this function. And as you can see now, we can also adjust the size of each window. That works actually really great, because in some smartphones we can actually change it only in the free move. So I mean in the free sizes like this, this and this. But here we can actually change it a little bit. So that's really great. And now if you want to close this split screen mode, you have to swipe up and then simply close all apps. If it doesn't work, you can just swipe up. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.